Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok and click on the plus icon, and here you can see photo mode missing. You simply need to go back and open Play Store, and you need to search for the TikTok, and basically you need to update your TikTok application by clicking on update. And after that you simply need to go and open your settings, go into the app management and go on to the app list, and here you need to search for the TikTok and click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to allow all permissions, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your account on TikTok, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.